Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to leverage Excel for powerful business analytics. Let's discover its importance in making informed decisions. First, we need to set up our data. Learn how to import, clean, and organize your data effectively in Excel. Key functions like sum, average, and countif are essential. Let's see how to use these functions for analysis. Visualizations can bring your data to life. We'll create charts and graphs to illustrate key insights. Pivot tables are powerful for summarizing large datasets. Let's see how to effectively analyze data with them. Excel's built-in data analysis toolpack can simplify complex analyses. Here's how to utilize it. Conditional formatting helps highlight critical insights. Let's go through a few examples. Utilizing Excel for forecasting and trend analysis can greatly enhance decision-making capabilities. Excel allows for team collaboration with sharing and co-editing features. Let's explore these options. In conclusion, mastering Excel for business analytics opens doors to insightful data-driven decisions. For further learning, check out the resources linked below.